All right, gonna take a short video here of a 2007 Charmilles RoboP 240 SLP. As you can see, the machine's been in a temperature controlled environment its whole life in this room. Not a lot of exposure to dust. We are running a job right now on the machine. Let's take a look down in the working environment. You can see the wheels spinning here. Show you the tank area. Here's the control. You can take a look here and see that we are moving the x-axis. I'm gonna take a walk around the machine. There is a little bit of a tight space, so pardon me. We have the whole cabinet here. Inside the machine. Close the cabinet up. Here's your filters and everything. I can't really squeeze back by here, but I'll try and get it on video. Your chiller is actually up top above the machine, and it's coming down to those lines right there. Transformers back, I think on the other side somewhere. I can't really see it here. I'm a big guy, hard for me to get back. Take a look down this side right here. Yeah, there's not really much we can see there either. But that's it, the end of this video for the 2007 Charmilles RoboP 240 SLP.